Hello everyone. As you all know, I've been battling with the flu for a few days now and it got worse last night. So this morning I made a post asking for natural remedies. And so from that post I picked the everything I needed to buy. I went to buy them. I had some at home, came back and put this together. I boiled it for about an hour. Then I allowed it to cool down a bit before bottling. And this is everything I got. So for the one I took, I added some lemon juice and honey before taking. I'll let you know how I feel later. Thank you for watching.